Alright guys, it's been about 3 weeks since I made a video because I was waiting for parts to show up and they just showed up. So here they are in the Mopar box. About time, right Lou?
That's right.
Yeah. So we got the Mopar front bumper here. Oh, we got the SRT grill, all kinds of fun stuff. Look at this. Just shit everywhere. Give it a hell, Lou. Yeah. All kinds of fun stuff. That's got to be a hot. Is that empty or full?
Well, we got it. Looks like a harness in here.
That's the harness in there? Yeah, that's the head. That's the front grill, I think. I don't know. Let's see. That might be the grill.
Yeah, it's the grill,
lower air dam, rather. Yeah. Well, we got the sport front bumper. I don't know what. This has got to be the harness here. That's got to be the harness here. Yeah. This got to be it. Oh yeah, look. Yep. New headlight harness. That's what we need. Got one of those. We got the front bumper. Sport front bumper. Grab that side right there. Alright. Look at that thing. Oh. Wow. That's what we needed. That means the body shops. We're gonna go there a week from tomorrow to get it painted. But as I unbox this stuff, I'll show you guys more. We'll get into it, show you what we're working with here. All right, guys, we got the new 2020 Charger headlight harness here that supports electric power steering. Unbox that. Took the one headlight out already. Take that headlight out next, and what we're going to show you guys is how to get the headlight harness out, which consists of like removing this. This is the old fuse panel. There's a new one right there in the box. So this is all coming out. It goes back to the firewall, comes out. We're gonna take this piece off, the cross brace off. It's a little bit of doing, but then you're gonna go inside the car. I'll show you that when I get there. But that's what we're working on right now. We're gonna start removing things. Take the other headlight out and the wiring. Gotta unplug the clip back here for the pump. There's a plug back there. It's right here actually. To unplug that. That all comes out. And then, you know, I'm trying to show you guys as much as I can as we go along. So, let me get right into it.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Alright guys, we didn't show it, but we got the old headlight harness out of here. Now we're putting a new one in. So that's what we're getting into. Right, Lou?
That's right.
That's right. Alright, we're gonna get it started now and put it in. All right, guys, that's it for this week's video. Got the wiring harness in, all that stuff, it's all squared away. Next time I get back to you guys, we're bringing the car down to the paint booth. I bring the bumper down, all the other stuff, get it painted. I'll leave you guys a video probably next week on a Sunday. Show the car getting painted. Catch you guys next time. Alright guys, we're here. We made it down to Yonkers at the body shop. Just pulled the car in. This is the place we're at here. A&A Auto Body. My buddy Raven, who did the body work, his buddy owns this place, so you know that guy right there. So we finally got the car here. Getting ready to get it taken care of. All kinds of good stuff. We're getting the bumper off now. And you know, we're gonna just get into the booth and, you know, see if we gotta do what Raven do. You know, that's Gus. He owns the place. Yep, you guys know Lou. You know, so yep, that little guy there. So what we're gonna do now is put you on time lapse and strip the car down. Do what we gotta do, make it happen.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Guys, a little update for you. I'm getting there. Just scuff soap the entire bumper. Scuff soap the hood. Yep. Raven's in there putting some primer. Damn, air compressor's on. Raven's in there putting down some, I think, primer on the fender. And yeah, so we wanted to do that first. Then when he's done doing that, we're gonna put the bumper and the hood in there. Spray that with the car. So yeah, right now me and Lou are just trying to get some water out of the hood. A lot of water in there, so trying to do what we can do. The car is waiting to go in the booth now. So, yep, we'll take it apart. We're getting there. We'll get back to you. Edging the hood. Sorry. All right, boys, here's the update. We got the bumper here drying. That's getting in the booth in a couple minutes with the car. Raven has the hood in the booth. He sprayed the inside of the hood. He put sealer on the fender, stuff like that. That's all in there. So me and Lou, I gotta scuff down that wing I got next with the scuff soap. I'm gonna get that scuffed down next. Get ready after get re-cleared. Oops, what was that? So, yeah, Lou's over here working his butt off. All right, Lou?
Hey, you know, it's all in the day here. It's all in the day. Trying to get it done.
We got Lou doing the 600.
Trying to get it
sanding
done.
the primer down, you know?
Trying to get it done.
Yeah, it's a team effort. Lou's doing his thing. I had to bring backup. I brought Lou today, you know? Lou got all this done already. Now, Lou, how much bodywork experience do you have?
None. None.
0.
Learning as we go.
Just like me, I got 0.
Learning as we go.
But yeah, we're scuffing down the primer that Raven did, and then yeah, we're getting there. You know, me and Lou found an oasis across the street. They sell tall green cold things.
Oh my God.
Nice place they got there.
It's a rat.
Yeah, but that's where we're at right now. Lou's over here working away, getting it taken care of. And Raven's over there doing something, so do a little time lapse now, me and Lou sanding what's left of the primer, and then I'll update you guys shortly. All right, Lou, how'd you do?
Okay, good.
Got it covered?
101.
101. Yup, got it all scuffed down. Lou rinsed it off. We're getting there, boys. We're telling them, we're getting there.
All that. Your beard kicking on.
That's all right. We're getting a minute. Hang on. We're getting there. Got it all washed off.
Beard kicking on, bro.
Yeah, got it all washed up, ready to go. All sanded. Yep. Oh man, this is a nice shop they got here. Real nice shop. Yep. Got Raven over here. What are you doing, baking it? Resetting the booth?
Turn it back on.
Oh boy. Yep. That's it, boys. I scuffed down the spoiler. Scuff sanded it. Gonna get that going next. And then once he does what we gotta do, we'll get the car in the booth. I'll come back to you guys and show you how it looks. Damn, Lou, what are you doing, Lou? Scuffing.
We're washing off now.
Washing off.
We're gonna stuff for body class 101.
Body class.
You know? We did what we had to do right
Oh, he's
there.
going for the pizza.
Going in.
What you gotta say, Lou? Tell him.
Yeah. In for paint.
Paint time. We're in the booth. Ready to get it painted. Have the old spoiler. Yep. Good to go. in the booth. All right, everything's taped up. Hood's set up, bumper. Gonna come out looking sharp. Tell you right now. A whole different looking car when it comes out of here. All right, boys. Gonna let Raven get in here, do what he gotta do. Get some more footage of Raven painting it. Be back in a few. All right, guys, we're still here in the paint shop. It's getting late. It's almost midnight. Raven's still plugging away, but I think we're gonna leave the car here until tomorrow and come back and finish it off at a later date. Come back tomorrow rather and finish off the car. He's in there still laying the color down. Like I said, it's getting late, so you know, I'm gonna stop the video here for today. Check back in with you guys next time I come down here to finish off the car and drive it home. So that's it for today, and I'll catch you guys next time.